Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve TikTok camera. To know how to fix or how to solve TikTok camera, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page, we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will enter to the window of TikTok. Then in this page of app info, you will click on force stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache, and don't click clear data because that can make a lot of errors on your application of TikTok. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.